Hi, this is Bill Ramos. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using this Demon tuning kit to tune and wax my snowboard. It's my first time. I just read the instructions. Wish me luck. So the first step is to remove your snowboard bindings. Make sure that you don't lose the bolts. You're removing the snowboard bindings so that the snowboard can be flat as possible and the bolts or the bindings won't be affecting the wax being absorbed into the snowboard. I then use the polishing pad to check for any splinters or burrs. If I find any imperfections that might catch onto the snow, I'll use the straight file to file them away. Now I'm using the edge tuner to work on the edges. It's got a 90-degree edge and an 88-degree edge. I use the 90-degree edge on the bottom. The tuning stone also has two sets of roughness, rough and fine. On the side edge, I use the 88 degrees so that could be as sharp as possible. I'm now using the Demon Universal Wax. This is supposed to work with a variety of temperatures. I have the iron on a medium setting with the sharp end pointing down, and I'm trying to let the wax drip evenly, every 2 inches or so. Try not to have the iron too hot to avoid letting the wax burn. The next step is to take the iron and start using it onto the surface of the snowboard, just like you're ironing a shirt. Try not to let the iron sit in one place for too long because it may damage your snowboard, but just work on it, just making smooth passes alongside the whole length of the snowboard. Let it dry for about 30 minutes, then take your wax scraper and work on it to remove as much wax as possible. Try to do this in a basement or in a garage where you don't mind making a mess because this wax gets everywhere. And then what you want to do is have a little thin layer of wax left on this snowboard. Now I'm using the polishing pad to polish the surface. You want it to be as shiny as possible so that the snowboard can glide over the snow. I then use this horsehair brush to brush over the snowboard and remove any more wax or any imperfections to make it more of a polished surface. I then reattach my snowboard bindings. I usually use minus and plus 15 degrees, duck stands. Make sure it's nice and tight. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks!